We've had an hour of sleep in the past how many hours? We realized we don't have heat in the van. We gotta make sure the red bike isn't too long for what I got here. We should be all right, though. The black bike definitely fits here, so that'll work. It's out the door with the pipes?
Yeah.
Fuck!
This thing's wicked tight in the front.
It's nice. You build nice shit.
You've really come a long way.
You know? Jim, you should come along and find out.
I know, should I just jump in the car and not tell
Why
you
not?
going?
Why not? You're a grown man, let's do it.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I gotta move the track because we built a bike too long to fit in my van. I haven't moved these in a while. Big T put a screw in every goddamn hole. You only go like every other hole in these things. That's what they recommend. What is fucking going on here?
Is there like a gap in between the tracks?
Did I fuck that up, dude? There is a gap.
There's a gap?
There is, but it's fine.
Is it fine?
I don't know. Is it not fine?
Is it going in?
Kind of. Dude, did I fuck that up? Fuck! Where's the impact? God damn it.
More fireworks.
See you in New Smyrna.
You smart.
See you in New Smyrna. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Good?
I can't think of anything else. I'm probably forgetting something.
We interrupt this to tell you to go to throttleocean.com, okay? If you need a Springer, if you're buying swap meet Springers and they're snapping in fields, you're gonna need to go to Throttle Ocean, buy yourself a Springer, get yourself some apparel, get yourself grips, hats, fuel bottles, hardtails, everything to be a throttle addict. Right, Craig?
Throttle addicts.
Throttle addicts, throttleaddiction.com. Get after it, boys and girls.
Click right here.
Click here. Do it to it. Bye-bye. Gas stop number 1, baby.
Gas stop number 1, where are we?
2 seconds from the shop.
It's gas stop number 2.
2 o'clock in the morning, gas stop number 2.
Where are we?
Outside Baltimore.
Sick.
Yeah. Coming for you, Maryland. We realized we don't have heat in the van. What number is this? 3?
This is number 3.
Gas stop number 3. Well done, North Carolina, baby. Come on now. Come on. Well done, North Carolina. Well done. Here we are. Out here in the mother.
What?
In all of its glory. At a BP. We don't support it. We don't support the BP. They spill oil. You know?
Yeah.
They spilled the oil. They almost killed Mark Wahlberg, so we don't support BP. National treasure.
Was this stop number 4? 3, 4, 5?
I think we're on stop number 4. This isn't gas, though. This is for pleasure.
Ooh.
That's right, south of the border. We completely missed Florida and made it to Mexico.
And there's a gorilla.
And there's a gorilla. And dirt bikes. And great white sharks. Bike Nation.
This is kind of neat. Actually hilarious.
Dude, this might be it for the week. This might be it for the whole week right here. It is semi-convenient.
Oh no, John.
What happened, dude? Our stickers?
Oh no.
Did they get ruined?
Oh, one of them did.
Oh.
The rest are good. The rest are good.
Luckily we got 3.
Yeah. For no reason. Where are we?
Georgia. We made it to Georgia.
We're right outside Savannah, Georgia.
We're outside of Savannah, Georgia. Gas stop number 5 or something.
It might be 5.
I think it's 5. We're fucking so close. We're so close. We're a day earlier than we thought we'd be. Because we thought we were going to be here on Saturday. We're here Friday. Surprise. So that's cool.
Surprise.
I've seen a lot of brothers on the road. Seen a lot of brothers and sisters on the road, which is good.
Actually traveling on their motorcycles.
Traveling, some of them are trailering.
Yeah, there's a lot of those. Not sure if this is illegal, but nice.
Shirt change, hat change, sock change, you know? It's about that time.
Short change?
I mean, I'm debating putting shorts on, but once we get there, I feel like the sun's gonna be down and it's gonna be a little chilly willy. So I think I'm just gonna leave the pants on. Maybe I'll unbutton them.
Okay.
You know, go unbuttoned.
Is that like halfway to shorts? It's just
That's like almost a shorts.
Unbuttoned pants.
Yeah. Are you gonna put it? Is this the ruined one?
Yeah, we should put it somewhere.
Should we just stick it on the ground?
The ground?
Yeah.
You want to stick a sticker on the ground?
Yeah, yeah.
That's littering, sir.
No, it's not. Look, it's a sticker bomb.
It's sticking really well.
It will. It
Self
will.
of the board day.
It will over time. Gonna come. I have a toenail clipper. I brought one.
I don't like what you're doing right now.
Here, wait. I'll peel one off right now. There you go.
Gross.
A couple road dogs. Just doing road dog shit right now.
Yep. Yeah, this is how you succeed, boys
This is
and
it.
girls.
I'd love to splash some water on my face.
You're putting on socks
Dude, look at these things.
with holes in them.
These are quality. Oh, what the fuck?
You must really like those.
I guess. I guess so.
I guess so.
I guess so. Sun. Water shoes.
Are they comfortable?
They're pretty comfortable, yeah. I just want to like stand for a minute.
I get it.
I gotta just stand for a second. I don't know what to do.
I think I have narcolepsy.
Yeah, why?
I mean,
Passing out?
yeah.
Well, we haven't slept in like, we've had an hour of sleep in the past how many hours?
It's just such a weird, like...
How many hours have we been on the road? We left at 9 o'clock at night, and it's now 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon the next day.
Yeah.
So that's like more hours than I can calculate. In my
Yeah,
head.
I don't know how to do math, so... But we've been on the road for a while.
I've been on the road for a while. And we've only gotten really like an hour and a half of sleep at a Cracker Barrel.
And I've been, like, chicken heading out. And...
Oh yeah, I've been watching you nod off, dude, like a junk.
Like a junkie? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna stay awake from
You've
here on
been
out.
nodding off, dude, like you're booting H.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty funny to watch, actually.
It's my narcolepsy. Don't
Yeah.
make fun of me.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna sleep so soundly tonight, like a little cherub.
I hope so. Hope it's not
Are
too...
we both sleeping in the van, or are we gonna set the tent up and...
We're both sleeping in the van, John. We're totally both sleeping in the van.
Okay, alright. I'm down.
I don't want to sleep alone.
That's fine. I don't want to also sleep alone. It's terrifying. Use your headlamp to find my headlamp.
Where are we?
If we're going by the signs, we're nowhere.
Why?
Because there are no signs for this fucking place. But we're at Fast Lane. That's where we're at.
We made it to Florida.
We've made it to Florida. We are completely in the dark trying to set everything up.
Why don't you stand up or something?
Dude, I have a drink. Okay,
I will
we've
hold it.
already been to the bar.
I will hold it.
Okay, you hold the drink. Is that your piss bottle? Show them your piss bottle, dude. Show them your sins.
Gotta do it.
That's it.
I'm not very hydrated.
No. Throw that into the van.
Dude.
What the fuck did I do with my headlamp? Do any of them have a headlamp that I can borrow?
Well, let's get the bikes out.
All right, here. Yeah.
Okay, gas has been leaking out of that. No.
Out of the gas tank?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's what we were smelling. That makes sense. You've been huffing gas for like 20 hours. No big deal. I don't think there's anything you can do about the gas situation because the way the angle of the tank is and the way the angle of the bike is. I pretty much get a half a tank of gas. This is a bag of wet wipes. I don't know.
We've done this before as
Yeah.
children.
The birds are definitely scared.
His mouth is open. His mouth is open.
They're not into it. Initial ride that I found out.
What's that?
This thing is fucking fast as shit,
Yeah.
and the springer might be a little bent.
Really?
There's nothing that I can't handle. Or it's just I'm not used to such a small wheel on such a big front end. I'll ride it.
Small.
Yeah, and this too, that, yeah. I'll ride it.
No.
Okay. Good call.
No, I don't. I'll ride it alone.
Yeah.
I don't want to hurt my fragile ego. How was it?
It was great. The clutch is a little gummy. Yeah. Might have to adjust that out a bit, but the dust on this road is making my wheels. Uh-oh.
How was that?
That was good.
Good thing we have wet wipes.
That was good. Plants need oil to grow. Dude, did you see the pregnant chick smoking? When we were getting coffee and stuff this morning?
No.
Vaping, dude. Ripping a vape. Pregnant. What's the protocol?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to smoke.
I know you're not supposed to smoke cigarettes, but I imagine vaping's the same, maybe?
I would imagine vaping is probably the exact same.
Wow, that's unfortunate.
Yeah. That kid is going to come out addicted to Monster Energy drink, dude.
And wanting to go to Daytona.
Yeah, and yeah. What a wild move to not test ride this bike at all and just come on down.
About to take it on Daytona highways.
About to take it on Daytona highways.
That was the longest ride you've taken.
That is the longest ride I've taken. I went all the way down. It rips pretty hard.
Really?
Yeah.
That's exciting.
It goes pretty good. So that's a plus. Hey, spicy pineapple.
That exists?
I guess. You think what?
I think the people deserve a like and subscribe.
Hey, let's like and subscribe, guys. We made it to Daytona. The red bike runs. Let's like and subscribe. We're at the campground. Beautiful out. Lovely sunny floor. Flow.
Sunny flow.
Sunny flow. We're down here, baby. Doing it. Spicy seltzer style. Right, Craig?
Right. Tastes great.
Like, subscribe. Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to the Instagram. Like and subscribe to Facebook. Like and subscribe to Patreon. Like and subscribe to Life.
Like and subscribe to Life.
Buy our merch if it's still available.
I don't think it is.
It might not be. But if it is, buy it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Keep an eye out. We're in Daytona now, boys and girls. Time to get frisky.